Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing in and enabling the essentials. This gets the system ready. First, confirm your email, password, and 2FA code so you won't be interrupted. Then open the Night Watch IDV app or web portal and allow camera and microphone access. This is required for live checks. Position a plain background and hold your passport or driver's license steady with lighting in front of you. Once done, the system will guide you into the capture flow, so move on when the prompt appears. You now perform the detailed capture and liveness checks. Precision matters. Follow the on-screen framing guides to center your face, keep eyes visible, and remove glasses if they glare. For the ID scan, capture front and back clearly. Make sure the document text and MRZ lines are readable because the OCR relies on that. Next, complete the liveness challenge. Blink, turn your head, or follow the motion prompt. This proves you're present and prevents spoofing. After each action, wait for the system confirmation before continuing. You finish by reviewing and submitting the verification. This closes the loop. Check the matched data on screen, confirm that name, DOB, and document number look correct, then approve the submission to send it for processing. If verification fails, retry the capture with better lighting, reduce glare, or switch devices. Those fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, contact support with the reference ID, timestamps, and screenshots. This speeds troubleshooting and gets you verified without delay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.